Tonight, new harrowing footage of road rage and a close call that sent families at a parade in Portland running. Dashcam footage obtained by NBC affiliate KGW, submitted by prosecutors as evidence in court, providing several views inside suspect Sidney Metcham's pickup truck.
Oh my God.
In the video, you see Metcham frustrated, stuck in traffic due to road closures clearing the way for Portland's Grand Floral Parade. His anger boiling over.
They got it all blocked off. The Lloyd Center exit, the Convention Center exit, every motherfucking exit. You bum.
Metcham then plowing through traffic cones and blowing past crews blocking a highway exit ramp. Bystanders sent running as the Chevy Avalanche lumbers onto the parade route. Thankfully, no one was injured.
We would have been the first victim that he would have hit.
Watching the parade that day with his family, a ref Muhammad Ali.
Go, get him, get him.
He took this video of the chaos unfolding before him.
Is this guy going for a rampage? Is he going to be killing families, at the parade, or is he just angry at the blockage, or what's going on?
A police motorcycle and an unmarked police car unable to stop the vehicle as it exited the parade route. Sidney Metcham eventually parked his vehicle and was later arrested.
Page 18, line 2, last name Metcham.
Charged with 38 counts, including attempted assault and reckless endangerment. He has pleaded not guilty. Residents in Portland still shaken by this close call.
I know it's pretty scary. It definitely makes me doubt what we're going to be doing, in the future. Are we going to be continuing attending these parades and events in the city, or are we going to just stay home, watch it on TV?
According to police, he was driving on a suspended license and didn't have insurance. Court documents show Metcham is from Portland and has been in and out of prison and juvenile detention since he was 15 on sex abuse convictions against minors. No trial date has been set for these latest charges. Valerie.
All right, Aaron, thank you.